Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and opening Smart Lock now. First, make sure your Samsung runs a compatible Android version and that Bluetooth and location are turned on. Next, pair any trusted device you'll use, like a watch or car system, and sign into your Google or Samsung account. Once done, navigate to Settings Security Smart Lock. You'll need to authenticate with your PIN, pattern, or fingerprint. This gets you to the actionable screen where Smart Lock options appear, and you can begin adding trusted sources. You now configure the core Smart Lock options and understand why each matters. Add trusted devices by selecting from paired Bluetooth or NFC items. This allows automatic unlocking when connected. For trusted places, drop a precise map pin for home or work and adjust the geofence if necessary. This keeps your phone unlocked in those locations. Enable on-body detection if you want the phone to stay unlocked while carried. But keep in mind, it can unlock incorrectly if the phone is passed between people. You finish by validating and testing every smart lock method you added so you know how it behaves. Tap each trusted device or visit each trusted place to confirm automatic unlock. If something fails, remove and re-add the entry or repair the Bluetooth device. Make sure PIN/biometrics remain active as backup. If Smart Lock stops working, reboot the phone, re-authenticate in security settings, and only reset Smart Lock settings as a last resort. For most issues, repairing or toggling options.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.